The 2026 Mansory pickup truck redefines what it means to blend utility with ultimate luxury and performance. Known for transforming high-end vehicles into even more opulent and aggressive interpretations, Mansory has now set its sights on the pickup segment, a bold and unexpected move. Yet, it delivers a machine that is as extravagant as it is capable, merging brute force with boutique craftsmanship in a way only Mansory can. At first glance, the Mansory pickup truck is unmistakable. It carries the tuner's signature styling cues: aggressive carbon fiber bodywork, wide fender flares, and a bold front fascia that looks more like it belongs on a supercar than a utility vehicle. The grille is a sculpted masterpiece, and the LED lighting signature is sleek, futuristic, and unmistakably premium. Every surface has been meticulously reworked to exude presence and exclusivity. Whether rolling through urban streets or tackling rugged off-road terrain, this truck demands attention. Underneath its striking exterior, the 2026 Mansory pickup truck is no slouch. Based on a heavy-duty luxury platform, speculated to be a re-engineered version of the Mercedes-Benz G-Class or a modified Ram 1500 TRX, it packs a heavily tuned V8 twin-turbo engine, producing a staggering 850 horsepower and over 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. This immense power propels the truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, making it faster than many sports cars. Yet, this is no stripped-down racer. It retains full four-wheel drive capability, active suspension, and high-clearance geometry, offering legitimate off-road prowess alongside its high-speed performance. The interior is where Mansory's true craftsmanship shines. As expected, no detail is too small. Every surface is wrapped in the finest materials: premium leathers with contrast stitching, carbon fiber inlays, Alcantara headliners, and polished metal accents. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and sport, with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and memory settings. The dashboard features a bespoke digital cluster and infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with voice-activated controls and wireless connectivity. Even the rear cabin, often an afterthought in pickups, is appointed with the same level of luxury, providing individual captain's chairs, ambient lighting, and retractable display screens. Cargo space is also not ignored. The truck bed, while functional, is dressed in leather-trimmed panels, hidden compartments, and even an optional teak wood lining for that yacht-like finish. Mansory doesn't expect this pickup to be used for hauling drywall. Instead, it's meant for lifestyle, surfboards, ATVs, or simply turning heads at elite events. Optional accessories include a bespoke tonneau cover with integrated lighting, a drone launch pad, and carbon fiber toolboxes that match the exterior styling. In terms of technology, the Mansory pickup truck offers the latest in driver assistance and infotainment. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, autonomous parking, and 360-degree cameras come standard. The sound system is a custom-tuned surround setup from Burmester or Bang & Olufsen, depending on client preference. And of course, Mansory offers full customization through its atelier, allowing customers to select everything from exotic paint finishes to personalized embroidery and badging. What truly sets the 2026 Mansory pickup truck apart is its ability to bridge two worlds. It is a luxury vehicle with the heart of a beast, and a workhorse dressed in designer clothing. While traditional pickup trucks focus on durability and utility, this model speaks to a clientele that demands extravagance without compromise. It's not just about moving goods, it's about doing so in a manner that reflects power, taste, and exclusivity. Though clearly not designed for mass appeal, the Mansory pickup truck represents a growing market for hyper-luxury utility vehicles. As SUVs and trucks continue to dominate global automotive trends, it makes sense that high-end tuners and manufacturers push the envelope further. In this niche, Mansory excels, crafting vehicles that are not merely means of transportation but statements of identity. With the 2026 pickup truck, Mansory has created a vehicle that doesn't just break rules, it ignores them entirely. It's absurd, outrageous, and unapologetically extravagant. And for the right buyer, that's exactly the point.